We'll guide you through how to add page number in Google Sheets. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they need to organize multi-page spreadsheets for printing or sharing as PDFs. Without page numbers, documents can look unstructured and confusing. Adding page numbers helps track pages easily, improves professionalism, and ensures readers can follow large data sets, reports, or documents more clearly and efficiently. To begin this tutorial, open your browser on your computer and go to Google Sheets. Once the page loads, open a new spreadsheet or an existing file that you want to work with. Wait until the spreadsheet loads completely before continuing. After that, observe the worksheet displayed on your screen to ensure everything is ready. Next, make sure your data is fully prepared before printing. After confirming your data, move your cursor to the top menu bar. Click the File menu to open the available options. From the list, look for the Print option and click it to open the print settings. Wait until the Print Preview page appears on your screen. In this section, you will see a preview of your spreadsheet as it will be printed. Take a moment to observe the preview carefully. Then, move your attention to the Settings panel located on the right side of the screen. Look for the option labeled Headers and Footers and click it to expand the section. After opening this section, observe the available options provided. Find the Page Numbers option and check the box to enable it. Once selected, notice that there is no option to choose the position of the page numbers. Google Sheets automatically places the page number for you. In most cases, the page number appears at the bottom right corner of each page. Next, scroll through the preview pages to verify the result. Check the second page and then check the third page if available. Make sure that the page numbers appear on each page consistently. Confirm that the numbering follows the correct order and is displayed clearly. If needed, you can adjust the margins to improve the layout. If everything is already correct, click the Next button to continue the process. Before finishing, double-check the page numbers one more time to ensure accuracy.